Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back today. I really appreciate it. So a few weeks ago I bought these face tapes that I've been wanting to get for quite a while, but I just found them on Amazon. Of course they're going to be linked down below. So I bought them just to try them out, and I've been doing a lot of looks with them on my Instagram, and a lot of you guys have been requesting for me to do a video just on how you apply them, you put them on, and then how you cover them with foundation and just how you kind of use them. So I just thought I'd come on here very quickly, it's very easy, and just show you guys how to do it. So again, these are going to be linked down below, but basically what you get is you get these like little contraptions. So you've got one end, it's got a elastic on this side and elastic on that side, these two, and then this is how you put them together. So you've got all these different sizes, so you've got little lumps and then little holes that you can put them in, and then you pull, and then that's how you secure them together. So depending on like the size of your head, you can make them bigger, you can make them tighter. So that's first off. Now, as for the ends of them, you get these little sticky things. Now this is two, so you just break them in half, rip them down the middle, and now it comes with this little like flat thing. Then you just make it flat and then you just poke it through the hole. I mean, this is all very self-explanatory, I'm sorry guys. You poke it through the hole and then you pull it tight and then it's there. So basically what's going to happen is this is going to be put on your temple or wherever you want to put it. Pull, this is going to go around the back of your head and it's going to clasp on to the other one on the other side. So before you do any of that, what you need to do is you need to take a makeup remover wipe or like an alcohol wipe, just anything that's going to get rid of the oil on your skin, or like any makeup obviously you've got on your skin, because if you've got anything on there that is oily, it's not going to stick. So this is really important. So you go, I'm just going to put them on my temples, but you can put them here, put them on your neck. I've done them before where I've had them right underneath my ears. Like back when I did my extreme plastic surgery video, I'm sure some of you guys will remember that video, but I had one here, I had one here, and I had one here. So I had three, and I was just like, no, 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 no. So you can put them anywhere, but the most important part is just to really clean the area before you do it. Okay, so take off the sticky side. Alright, so as for where to place them, what I like to do is I like to place it where my eyebrow bone is, where my eyebrow ends. I like to place it kind of right in the middle of that. You see what I mean in the middle? My eyebrow is right in the middle of the piece of tape, and then you just put it down. Obviously you want to have it not in your hairline, you want to have it on the skin, because if you have it in your hairline, it's gonna hurt. So you see that? So that's gonna pull back your eyebrow, and it's also gonna pull back your eye, which is what you want. Okay, so that's where I like to put them. Now I'm gonna do the other side. And then these really are very, very, very sticky. And they're very thin, obviously, so they lay quite flat against your head, which is good. Okay, so you've got them both on now. Now the problem with this kit, or this like set that you get off Amazon, again they're going to be linked down below, is you only get one set of these. So if you do want to do more than one on your head, you're going to have to get more of these little attachment things, but I'm sure they're easy to find. Okay, so now a thing that I got asked a lot about on my Instagram was how to kind of cover them if you're not wearing a wig. So typically I would suggest doing this if you've got a wig on, but if you don't, best way to kind of conceal them, I mean it's pretty obvious, I'm just gonna part my hair right where that would sit. You see that? Maybe get rid of a little bit of that in there. Okay, so that's gonna come all the way around to the back of the part there. So just put that up into a top bun. Okay, now going to pull these tight. Ooh, beach. Secure them at the back, I don't think I need to show this part, it's pretty easy. Okay, so make sure they're nice and secure at the back there. You see that? Now, you just take down your hair and it just covers them. I mean, obviously you'll have to kind of have your hair out and not like behind your ears or anything, but that's that. Now what I was doing on my Instagram was, because these aren't quite tight enough, so what I was doing was actually just taking both of the bands and just tying them in a knot. So they were really, really tight, like more like on my Instagram I was like this. Like I couldn't even like blink barely. But these still create like an effect for sure. Okay? So if you want to like, you know, that's easily concealed. Super easy. Okay? So now we're going to go over with a bit of foundation. I'm going to show you guys how to cover them. It's super, super easy. Like there's nothing to it at all. So what I usually take is obviously just my Kryolan paint stick. Now you just go straight over the top. Now what I would suggest is you go down. Try not to go up. You know, I mean, sorry, actually. Try not to like hit the edges. So go down on the bottom and then up on the top. See what I mean? I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and then you just kind of blend it together. I mean, obviously you're still like gonna see the edges, but like this doesn't affect the way that they hold on. Like they're still gonna sit there. I mean, you can't really see that, that's pretty good. So that's pretty self-explanatory, really. Now if we take our hair back down, ooh, bitch, I really do like them a lot. You could even do like a really like low pony and like just make sure to cover. I mean, maybe you could figure that out. If you're doing like a photo shoot or something, you could figure that out. But that's it. So I'm not going to put foundation on the rest of my face because I don't think it's very necessary, because you get the deal. So you just do that, and then like usual you can just go straight over with your powder, because obviously the outside of it isn't sticky. It's got no real, it's kind of got like, it's not like regular plastic. Like it kind of has a bit of a like a rough texture to it. Not rough at all, but kind of texture similar to your skin. So it sort of blends nicely. It doesn't, you know, anything, you can go over it with any sort of foundation and it's gonna completely cover it. So that's not an issue. Let me put a bit of powder over it. Okay, and then that kind of just blends it even better. So as for doing your brows, if you guys were covering your eyebrows and you were going to put these on, I would suggest covering the brows first and then putting them on. So covering the brows, and then after they're covered, before you put on foundation, then put them on. Don't put them on before the brows, because you're going to be doing like a lot of wiping and it's going to be a lot of involved and you're just going to pull it off. So that's what I would suggest. So anyway, you guys, again, you can pull them even tighter. Oh, bitch, look at that. Okay, guys, so this is it. So I hope you enjoyed that. That was a really quick video, but I have been asked that quite a bit. I hope that wasn't too self-explanatory, but, you know, it doesn't hurt. Just going through the basics. Again, these are going to be linked down below. I know a lot of people have found heaps cheaper ones, I think, on like AliExpress. I don't have links for them though. But if you just look up face tapes, I'm sure you could find a million. These ones were like 20, and the ones on AliExpress were like $1.50. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!